Hey guys, I'm going to review some important vocabulary for you. For some of you, this you already learned this last week. For others of you, you didn't have the formal vocab. Regardless, you are going to take notes in the slide on the left side of this slide. So, first things first. This is the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane. You guys in fifth grade were used to just working in this area right here, right? Um, just that area. It was only positive numbers, but we are working with positive and negative numbers now, and we create this space because a number line doesn't go just in one direction. We don't just go right, we can also go left. And the red line I just drew, the one that went to the positives and the negatives, this is called our horizontal axis. It's our x-axis. And I like marking that this is positive x and the opposite side is going to be negative x. And then the vertical number line going straight up and down, we go positive, so that's obviously positive y, but we can continue. And then in the opposite direction going down, that is the negative y. So that is our first definition. A coordinate plane is the space created by a horizontal or x-axis, and a vertical number line, which is your y-axis. And the way I kind of always remember that x goes first, that we think of the horizontal, is just that's how we're most accustomed to seeing a number line. I ask you to draw a number line, most of you are going to draw it straight left and right. And then after that, you develop an understanding that it can also go up and down. So just like the alphabet goes X, Y, so does the positioning of our number line. We're used to seeing it left to right first and then up and down. When you have these two crossing lines, you create, this is your next definition, a quadrant. And a quadrant is one of the four sections created by your horizontal and vertical number lines. The way I kind of remember quadrant and we have specific numbers for the quadrant is by drawing the capital letter C, C for coordinate, C, bad C, but you understand. So where I started, my capital letter C is going to be my quadrant number 1. I'm using Roman numerals, and I follow kind of just the arc of my pen. So I started here, where my pencil went next to draw the letter C would be here. After that, the C would go into here. And then the last one I end in, quadrant, quad means 4, is this section here. And again, just for you to see, we hit 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then the last thing is that we always write ordered pairs. An ordered pair is a set of numbers that tells us the position or location of a point on the coordinate pair. You guys are always going to see it in the form x, y, where x represents the position on the x-axis, so going left to right, right? And then the y represents the position on the y-axis, going up and down. And it goes in that order, x, y, just like the alphabet.